welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Hello, hi, I'm Katie, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. You're the best. If you are new, then don't forget to hit that subscribe for all those good vibes. So today I'm bringing you a video which has been highly requested over on my Instagram, and I liked. This light is very bright right now, but when I put the umbrella over it, it's just not bright enough because it's quite a dark day. So yeah, that's all you need. Two things: your phone, your tripod. You can use natural light, or if you have a ring light or a bright light, use one of those too. So I'm going to make it really simple, nice and short, and just let's get on with it. So I'm actually just going to film one just to show you guys how I do it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys really simply how I do it. So I'm going to go onto Instagram, then I'm going to go into that plus top on the corner there. The first thing to do, I would say, is pick your music. Find something that's going to suit the video that you are filming. And it sounds obvious, but you don't want something like slow if you're going to be modeling, like upbeat and cheery. So this is video specifically for like fashion reels, preferably, but you can obviously use it to any sort of thing. So what I quite like is okay, so I picked the song. You can pick which section of the song you want as well on that bit. So you can scroll across to choose to the part of the song that you want. It's really, really simple. And then this one, the next one down, controls the speed of your timing. So if you leave it on what it is, that's just normal time. If you go down, these are slowing it down, and if you go up, these are speeding it up. So I, so far, have only ever used it on 2 times. So I'm just 2 timesing how fast I'm filming it. So it doesn't mean that I have to then walk fast. It's gonna do all of that for me, okay? So I'm just gonna model how I'm normally modeling, like, hey, yeah, this is my lovely blazer. And then it's gonna speed it up for me. And then this one is if you want any effects on there. So we don't like filters too much, but you know, if you want to add anything, like this one is sparkly, this one says good morning. There's all different ones you can get, obviously, but I'm not gonna use any filters on there today. Then this one is the most important one. So this is the timer. You basically need to decide how many outfits you're gonna film. Something quite easy to do would be 3 looks or 3 ways to style one thing, because it would set it into 5 seconds, 5 seconds, and 5 seconds. Because if you don't know, Instagram Reels is only 15 seconds long. So that way, you know you've got 5 seconds to model your first outfit, 5 seconds for your second, and 5 seconds for your third, which sounds very obvious, but again, something you may not have thought of. So I have done it before with about 3 seconds on each video for 5 outfits. So that's what I'm gonna do today, is 5 outfits. So I'm gonna take the time down to whatever you want. So I'm gonna do 3 seconds and then set timer. So then when I start this, it gives me 3 seconds to get into position before I start modeling. So now I'm just gonna switch these up. So this needs to go where my tripod is now. And I'm gonna show you from a different angle how I film it. Okay, so then when you've set your tripod up, you obviously need to make sure that your feet are going to be in the video, or whatever parts of you that you want in the video, they're going to be in the video. You need to get yourself ready, get my shoes on, and get my bag, and then when I'm ready, I think I'm going to do 3 ways to style this blazer. That's what we're going to do, just decided. Okay, so then I'm going to go record 3 seconds. So I've recorded my 3 seconds. Let me just show you guys, and then you can watch it back with me. So this is very, very simple. I'm just going to move that out of the way. Oh, hey. So then we click this back button here to see what you've just recorded. So this is the first one. So that's super easy, I hope. And then if we like that, we keep it. If we don't like it, we press the X. If there's a bit you want to cut out, you click the crop. And then you can adjust it here to how much you want to crop. Okay, and then we're going to click done. Ooh, hey. And then we're going to do exactly the same again. But if you want to now, this is quite fun me filming here. If you want to then make yourself appear in the exact position you were in, but in a different outfit, you then click, oh, this is so weird filming it like this with me on the screen. You then click this one, so the bottom one, it's called a line. And as you can see, I'm very faint where I was in that position. So then I would get into my next outfit and go back into this position and then I would set the timer again for the right timer that I want. So I'm going to do another 3 seconds. So we're going to take it up to 6. Set timer. And then I would press it again. It gives me 3 seconds to get back into the position. Obviously I'm going to go, obviously I'm actually going to go and change. And then I will report back on the final few steps. But that is how simple it is. And I feel like that is an explanation in itself. It took me a little while to figure out, but that's how I work it and how I like to work it. If you want it to be super smooth transitions, then maybe consider filming it first and cropping it down on iMovie, something like that. Like for me, I'm not too worried about the transitions being perfect. That's not my niche. I'm here to show you guys fashion and show you guys how to make things a bit easier. So yeah, I hope that was really useful. I will just go and change and then just show you how I do that next little bit, and then hopefully you guys all got it. Okay, so I'm in my second look and I'm gonna just film this for you guys. I will again do exactly what I did earlier, so just remind myself. So I'm gonna go check we like it. It's gonna take a while. You can see what I mean there, it can take a little while to get what you like. And then, okay, so I'm in my third and final outfit. So I'm just gonna do the last bit. I decided to do 3 instead of 5. So I'm just clicking align again. Okay, so it's finished. I'm not really happy with it because I realise this is too high, but I'm going to turn this volume down because my movie will hate me. So this is what I would do now to add text. So say you want to add text over a specific part, you'd type what you wanted to write. So Zara, blazer, 3 ways. Pop it at the top. And then what you need to do, if you want that the whole video, you can just leave it like it is. If you only want that some of the video, you need to reduce it down to where you want it. So I'm going to leave it to there, just so I'm going to do another one just to show you. And then I'm just going to put follow me for daily fashion inspo. Okay, in black, and then we're going to put it above again. And then you make sure it's white, the one you want to adjust. And then I don't want it the whole way through, so I'm going to stop it to where the other one stops. And then leave it finished to the end. And then literally that is it. That is how simple it is. I hope that that was useful for you guys. And it was kind of a roundabout way of me explaining it to you, but I just wanted to kind of do it and film it and do it in real life for you to get the most clear way of doing it, because I do find people do like tutorials of things, and because they're not actually doing it there and then, sometimes you have to then go work it out on the screen, or you just can't quite work it out yourself and you're like, I still don't get how she did that. So I really hope that that was useful. If it was and you enjoyed and you want more videos that are explaining things like this, then definitely give this video a thumbs up now. Make sure you hit that subscribe for all the good vibes and join our Good Vibe tribe. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. I'm uploading at least 4 videos a week at the moment, so there's a lot of reason to be here and a lot of reason to stay around. I have a Zara haul coming on Sunday, which is very exciting. By the time you guys watch this, it may actually be live. I also have 3 weekly vlogs coming a week and a review, so lots of stuff coming up. And an autumn styling haul. I said loads of reasons to make sure you are part of the Good Vibe tribe. So I'd